Unrivaled luxury living is all yours at West Linn's premier view property. Featuring 4 mountain views, including majestic Mount Hood and captivating Mount St. Helens. It's located near parks and trails on a peaceful cul-de-sac. Thoughtfully designed with a wraparound view deck, it's designed for the best in Northwest living. Discover gracious living spaces with high ceilings, custom exposed beams, and mountain views from nearly every window. Entertaining in the formal dining room easily extends to outdoor living, with endless views from the high-end Trex composite deck. The open-concept kitchen features extensive bar seating, a cooktop island, stainless steel appliances, and abundant storage space. Make memories by the cozy fireplace or immerse yourself in the serenity and beauty of unobstructed views from your expansive deck. Upstairs offers a spacious primary suite featuring premium mountain views. Recharge in the elegant primary bath with a dual sink vanity, shower, soaking tub, and a walk-in closet with organizers. Plus a conveniently located laundry room. Downstairs, the bonus room is ready for game night or gatherings by the fireplace. You'll find 2 additional bedrooms. Plus another full bath. Enjoy the private setting, surrounded by lush landscaping and outdoor lighting. You'll also love the oversized garage with an additional workshop of nearly 600 square feet below, providing plenty of space for projects. Breathtaking views in an exceptional West Linn location. It's all here on Crestwood Court, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.